Hello, greetings from Asia. My name is David Gerhard Demmer, co-founder, CEO, and CTO of Playano Education Limited, and I'm showing you our product Glowtest. For that, I'm going to switch the screen. You might have received or landed on our landing page, but if you just type in glowtest.it, you will come here. It's actually an area for the filmmaking, which is analyzing your taste, but this is not what I want to show you. What I want to show you is, if you click on My Assets, we created a new function called Auto Detect Images. But before I click on there, you can see here, you are able, in the asset library or My Assets, we have different categories for different things, so you can create your own assets and then use those to put them into the videos. Yeah, so right now we support products and characters, which we think is the most important for our clients. So, and this is a new feature. So we basically, so if you click on Auto Detect Images, you just saw I then choose a picture. So this picture is getting automatically analyzed. And in a second, you will get some choices. And here what we would expect is that you expect the person, a character, and a costume. What I will also do is I will categorize the formal black suit as a product. So we'll make another button here, which is create product, so you can do either, because costume is more for filmmaking. But yeah. Here I'm typing in his name. You don't need to do that. If you don't, then you will have the young man in black suit. Create character. This takes a second. And now you're getting funneled right into the creation page. You can also go back up here if you want to add more and use the location or use the product in there. Otherwise, and now here you can choose formats. We have certain templates here. And for example, if you go on the UGC one, then you have basically a 9-second and a 5-second version. Now you can define the input. And then choose, for this one, this will be removed because, yeah, it's technical. We will enable this later. For UGC, there will only be the premium version, which is VO 3.1. You can see a little bit more information here if you click on this little button. And now, since we have earlier on uploaded the picture, you see now here the character Grandfather Gerd. Yeah. You can now combine, so we currently only support like 2 items per shot. Later we will support more, but it's a bit more technical. We need to kind of like bring that in, so you can let Grandfather Gerd sell the Apple product or whatever you want. Here the music, this is currently optional. We create music in the background actually. Choose a format, and then you're ready to go. That's basically already it. One thing I would like to say is, like, if this is a little bit too costly for you, then you can also create a slideshow first. A slideshow is basically cutting out and skipping the animation creation, and you basically just see pictures. Yeah, this is in particular, I think, interesting if you choose the advertisement format, because you can see here you have moving pictures. Yeah. So this is how it comes out. And yeah, here for this one, you see it was fully beat synced. Yeah, so that means we have the video being created given a certain beat, which is in this case the bold impact one. And here you can actually, yeah. Oh, okay, we need to make this a little bit more wider. This is a bit too hidden. But here you can choose these two different models. Yeah. And this one you can basically, then it's gonna make sense to do a skip animation because each shot is just like 1 second long. We have like it's 13 seconds, the total advertisement, and 13 times. So we basically create the music, uh, which is in this case fixed. Then we create automatically an image. Then we exchange the character and the product in the image. And then if you went for full creation, it will be then animated. If you go for a slideshow, we will not do an animation, but simply then create a 13-second video out of this, which is going to be much cheaper. So I will put here soon the numbers. And the promotion is a bit more complicated. I will remove that to make it more simple. Yeah, then you click on create video. This is going to take depending on where you are in the queue, if you are Q1, it should take between 20 and 30 seconds, depending on how much is automatically created for you. Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much for your time.